Guys, ito na yung ah, another 30 roles and responsibility ng safety officer, no? Rectifying unsafe practices and conditions within their role. So as a safety officer, he is responsible for correcting any unsafe action or hazardous conditions present within the work environment. This task is typically accomplished via the usual lines of authority, and it often includes various actions like issuing formal letters, warning, initiating investigations, and implementing disciplinary action where required. By doing so, the safety officer ensures that safety protocols are not just guidelines but firm rules that are respected and adhered by all employees. Okay guys, at yung number 4 is emergency response and prevention of new hazard. Significant responsibility of a safety officer, okay, is to take immediate and necessary action to halt any unsafe practices as they occur, particularly in emergency scenarios where there is a direct threat of injury to individuals or property damage. It's crucial that while executing this duty, the safety officer also exercise due diligence to ensure their action do not inadvertently create new dangers or exaggerate existing ones. This role involves a delicate balance of swift intervention to prevent harm while maintaining a safe environment. Yan po guys yung another roles and responsibility ng safety. So, I hope guys, next couple of days, meron pa tayong, so nabanggit na natin yung 4 roles and responsibility, meron pa tayong 26 as na itatopic tungkol sa roles and responsibility ng safety officer. Marami-rami pa ang ating responsibilidad. Okay guys, take care and keep safe.